Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve remaining problems in exercise 7.2. Okay, before that, you should know what is the how to find angle between two curves. Right? If two curves are intersecting each other like this, suppose I am taking one curve y1 equal to f of x, another curve y2 equal to f of x, like this, y2 equal to f of x. These two are two different curves. They are intersecting at point P. So to find the angle between these two curves, we have to find the tangent of the first curve. This is T1, and tangent of the second curve. Tangent of the second curve. Tangent to the second curve. This is T2. T2 is tangent to the second curve. T1 is tangent to the first curve. If you find the angle between these two tangents, that you can consider as the angle between two curves also. So to find the angle between two intersecting curves, we need to find angle between two tangents. So if you how we can get the slope of tangent of first curve by differentiating first curve. You will get the slope of that point. To get the slope of tangent T2, we have to differentiate second curve with respect to x. Then you will get slope of second tangent at that point. If you take first tangent slope as m1, second tangent slope as m2, and we know the formula tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Using that formula, you can find the angle between two curves y1 y2, right? Here, angle between two curves. To find angle between two intersecting curves at the intersecting point, we have to find angle between two tangents to the corresponding curves at the intersection point. So to find the angle between two curves, we have to find the angle between tangents at the point of intersection for the corresponding curves. So if I take slope of first tangent, if m1 is the slope of tangent of first curve, and m2 is the slope of tangent, and m2 is the slope of tangent to the second curve, then angle between two curves is given by the formula tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 right? So if tangents are perpendicular, that means if tangents are perpendicular means curves also intersecting perpendicularly. So perpendicular is nothing but orthogonal. Curves are said to be. Here write note. Curves are said to be orthogonal. If theta equal to 90 degrees. If theta 90 degrees, tan 90 not defined. Not defined means this is infinity. By taking reciprocal, 1 plus m1 m2 by 1 1 minus m2 becomes 0. So you will get the condition. If theta equal 90 degrees, then m1 m1 into m2 is should be minus 1. m1 both two lines are perpendicular if product of slopes is equal to minus 1. So you can use this condition to check the curves are orthogonal or not. Okay, so this is the formula to find the angle between two curves. Now let us solve remaining problems in the exercise 7.2. Already you completed 4 problems in this exercise 7.2. Now fifth problem. Problem number 5. What is the problem number 5 here? Fifth problem. Find the tangent and normal to the following curves at the given points on the curve. Find tangent equation and normal equation. Tangent equation, normal equation of the curve of the following curves at the given points on the curve. Okay, in fifth bit we have 4 problems. First one, see, y equal to x square minus x power 4 at 1, 0. Second problem, y equal to x power 4 plus 2 into e power x at 0, 2. Third problem, y equal to x sin x at pi by 2, pi by 2 at pi by 2, pi by 2. Fourth problem, x equal to cos t, y equal to 2 sin square t at t equal to pi by 3. T equal to 5. So we have 4 problems. I am going to solve second and fourth problem. So remaining 2 you can solve it. So I am taking second and third problem. Second problem first of all. Y equal to x power 4 plus 2 e power x at 0, 2. We have to find tangent and normal equation. Then after fourth problem. So here to find tangent equation we need slope. Already we have the point. So I am differentiating this with respect to x. So dy by dx, x power 4 derivative 4x cube plus 2 power ex derivative 2 power ex again. Right? To get the slope, I am substituting the point m equal to dy by dx at 0, 2. So here we have only 0, x no, so we have to substitute 0. So by substituting 0 here, 4 into 0 plus 2 into e power 0, that is 2. Slope is 2. So we got the slope. Now I am going to find tangent equation at 0, 2. Equation of tangent to the curve at 0, 2 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M is 2, slope is 2. So y minus y1 is 2, slope also 2, x minus x1 is 0. So y minus 2 is equal to 2x. So 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 is the equation of tangent. Okay. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal to the curve at 0, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1. Y minus 2 minus 1 by 2 x minus 0. By cross multiplication 2y minus 4 is equal to minus x. By bringing x left hand side, x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0. So this is the equation of normal to the curve at the given point. Okay, right. Now problem number 4 and fifth bit. What is fourth problem? X equal to cos t y equal to 2 sin square t. 2 sin square t at t equal to pi by 2. Now differentiate with respect to t for these two parametric equations. Differentiate with respect to t. dx by dt, cos t derivative minus sin t, dy by dt. So 2 is constant, again power derivative, first power derivative 2 sin t, again sin t derivative cos t. So you can write this as 2 sin 2t, 2 sin 2t, or keep it as it is. This is 4 sin t cos t. After dividing it, I will simplify. Okay. Now I need dy by dx at the same point. So it is a slope. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt by dx by dt will give dy by dx. So this is 4 sin t cos t by this is minus sin t. Sin t cancel. This is minus 4 cos t. Minus 4 cos t is the slope. So we got the slope as minus 4 cos t. Now this is the point coordinate. This is x coordinate, y coordinate. Now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at the point. At the point. What is the point? So this is x coordinate, cos t, and this is y coordinate, 2 sin square t. At the point 2 sin square t, cos t and sin t. At the point having the slope, what is the slope? M equal to minus 4 cos t. Right. Equation. How to find? What is the formula? Y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 minus 2 sin square t from the point, right? Slope is minus 4 cos t. X minus x1, x minus cos t. So this is the equation of tangent. Now equation of normal. Here I am changing. Equation of normal. Equation of normal at the point having the slope 1 by m. Okay. Equation of tangent normal at the point is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1. Y minus y1 2 sin square t minus 1 by minus 4 cos t x minus x1 cos t. Okay, minus cancel. So y minus 2 sin square t is equal to 1 by 4 cos t. 1 by 4 cos t into x minus cos t. So this is the equation of normal. Okay, if you want to simplify, you can simplify. Remaining two problems homework. Next, sixth problem. Problem number 6. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Y equal to 1 plus x square. X cube, not x square, x cube. Y equal to 1 plus x cube. For which the tangent is. For which the tangent is orthogonal with. We know orthogonal means perpendicular. Orthogonal with the line. Orthogonal with the line x plus 12y is equal to 12. Okay, we have to find the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to 1 plus x cube, for which the tangent is orthogonal to the given line. So the tangent is orthogonal, perpendicular to this line. So by differentiating this, we can get the slope of tangent and we can find the slope from this line. So both are perpendicular. So m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Using that condition, we can get slope. Okay, right. Solution: given curve y equal to 1 plus x2. Now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is 0 3x square, which is slope of tangent. And slope of the line. Slope of the given line. Given line equation is x plus 12y minus 12 equal to 0. Is, suppose this tangent of slope I am taking as m1 and slope of the given line I am taking as m2. m2 equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient 12, minus 1 by 12. And we know that given that tangent is orthogonal to given line. That is nothing but perpendicular. To the given line. So that implies m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m2 is minus 1 by 12. m1 is 3x square. So 3x square minus 1 by 12 is equal to minus 1. So here you will get x square equal to 3 4s are 4. X is equal to plus or minus 1. So we have to find the point. Why? Because we need equation of the line, equation of the tangent, and equation of tangent only. Equations of tangent. So we need point. So for that I am substituting if x equal to 2. If x equal to 2, then by the curve y equal to 1 plus x cube, y equal to 1 plus 2 cube, y equal to 9. 2, 9 is the point on the curve. Now I am going to find slope. What is the slope of tangent? Tangent at 2, 9 is m1 equal to 3x square. So m1 equal to 3x square means you have 3 4 4 3 is 12. m1 is 12. So equation of tangent at 2, 9 with slope m1 equal to 12. Okay. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 9, m is 12, x minus x1. Y minus 9, 12x minus 24. 12x minus y minus 24 plus 9, 15 minus 15 equal to 0 is the equation of one tangent. So if x equal to minus 2, again substitute in the curve, you will get another point. So y equal to 1 plus minus 2 whole cube, y equal to 1 minus 8, y equal to minus 7. Therefore minus 2 comma minus 7 is another point on the curve. Now slope at this point, slope of tangent at this point, slope of tangent at this point. Again m1 equal to, we have 3x square at minus 2 comma minus 7, m1 equal to 3 into minus 2 square, that is again 12, right? Now equation of tangent, therefore equation of tangent to the curve, equation of tangent to the curve at the point minus 2 minus 7 with slope m1 equal to 12 is y minus y1 is equal to m into, not m equal to m into x minus x1. Now substitute the point and slope in this formula. Y minus y1 plus 7, m 12, x minus x1 plus 2, y plus 7, 12x plus 24. 12x by sending all these terms at right hand side, 12x minus y, 24 minus 27 plus 17 is equal to 0. Is the required another tangent line equation. Okay. So in similar way, find the remaining 3 problems are there in exercise 7.2. You complete that 3 problems.